If you want to buy coins, you can check out MOGA in the description. Hopefully, I can get some Team of the Season players, and if not, I'll be pissed. So without further ado, let's get started. A few moments later, give me a Team of the Season, please. Oh! Yes! Yes! Oh, there we go! There we go! There we go! There we go! Already! We get one! We get one! And he's a good one as well! Team of the Season! Or a legend! Or anyone! Team of the Season! Team of the Season! Oh! No! No! Oh my god, right, no, don't, no, okay. Robin! And a Team of the Season! Yes! Oh my god! Oh my god! That's brilliant! That's brilliant! That is brilliant! Oh my life! Please! Oh! Oh! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Yes! Yes! Dad! Dad! Dad, please say you're here! Oh, look at this! Dad! Oh! No! 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 Dad! You gotta come in now! You know the one I got the other day? Which is worth, the legend one, the really good one. He's worth more! No, no, yes! Not this time, though! I am putting on the line Team of the Season Hazard, and he is putting on the line Team of the Season Suarez. Let's go. Jesus of Christ of what?